guys, it's David down here at Battleground Kia. Today I've got a gem for you. It's a 2016 Gmc Sierra 1500. It's the 4x4 double cab edition. Walk with me. As you can see, it's got the 33-inch all-terrain tires on 20-inch wheels. They're painted black. It looks really good, black on black. This is the elevation package. It's got the light gray interior with the black trim. Looks really great. It's a good vehicle to get. Follow me back to the bed back here. It's got the steps in the bumper. It's also got a lockable tailgate. Plenty of room. It's got a spray-in bed liner, so the bed's not going to worry about getting it scratched. You can put your cargo in here. It's got the hooks for any straps you may need. Hold your load down. As you can see, the back seat's got plenty of room. It's got the child latch, so if you got a kid, you can fit your car seats in here. They'll be comfortable. That's the great thing about these double cab trucks. You have your truck and have your kids. Easy to get into. It's got a small lift kit. Who doesn't like a lift kit on a nice full-size truck? Backup camera. It's got all the airbags, safety features. A really nice truck, just to take over 40,000 miles. So if you're looking on a great deal on a great full-size GMC, come see me today at Battleground Kia. Sun's out. It's a perfect day to buy.